باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم بسم اللہ الحمدللہ والصلاة والسلام علی رسول اللہ رب اشرح لی صدری ویسر لی امری واحلل عقدۃ من لسانی یفقہوا قولی. My dear Quran course fellows, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope all of you will be fine. I welcome you all in this revision session of lesson 8b, Understand Al-Quran Easily. Let's start the revision. I hope all of you will participate in it for better comprehension and understanding. Yesterday we learned some different terminologies, some new words. Haza, haulai, zalika, ulaika, hazihi, tilka. We will practice them inshallah. We know that we are learning grammar by using TPI. TPI stands for total physical interaction. We are using our different body parts to understand the Arabic different rules and to learn it in a better way. We hear it, we see it, we think it, we say it, we show it, we love it, and we do it together. I hope all of you have repeated with me with actions. Quickly, we will revise some previous slides and some previous lessons. We know that there are 3 types of Arabic words: ism, noun, fi'l, verb, and harf, particle. We have done particles, different haroofs, and we have different examples of different nouns, ism, and their, how to make their plurals, etc. And inshallah, soon we will start our verb, fi'l. It tells us about an action. So, okay. We learn different prepositions, different attack and detach prepositions, and now then we practice them by adding them with different words. La, li, and we also know that we are using different words for references, for examples, because examples and references make it very easy to comprehend, to understand, and to remember forever. La and li. For this we have reference or example. Alhamdulillahi. Lillahi, for Allah. La, li means for. Lahu, for him. Lahum, for them. Laka, for you. Li, for me. Lakum, for you all. Lana, for us. So I would like to invite any one of you to please raise your hands and revise this table. Anyone of you want to revise it, please? Okay, Sister Hanu Tesami, mashallah, you are very actively participating in daily, and mashallah. Okay, please unmute yourself. Sister Hanu.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Lahu, for him. Lahum, for them. Laka, for you. Li, for me. Lakum, for you all. Lana, for us.
Mashallah. Jazakallah. Okay.
Jazakallah.
Sister Augustine, please revise this table. Min. We have reference A'udhu billahi minash shaitan. Min, from. Sister Augustine, Nahi.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Minhum, from him. Minhum, from them. Minika, from you. Mini, from me. Minikum, from you all. Minna, from us.
Next one is an. An means with, and we have reference anhu, Raziallah anhu. Anhu means with him. Brother Tahir from Nigeria, please revise this table.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam rahmatullah.
Anhu with him. Anhum with them. Anka with you. Anni with me. Ankum with you all. Anna with us.
MashaAllah, Jazakallah. I hope all of you are doing these tables with actions. Next preposition is be. Be means in, and we have example Bismillah. Okay, Alpha Usman, please unmute yourself and revise the table. Alpha Usman. Alpha Usman Nabi, please unmute yourself and revise the table.
Yeah, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Yeah. Be in him. Be him in them. Bika in you. Be in me. The hand is giving me, I cannot be able to see this one here. Bikum in you all. Binna in us.
MashaAllah, great, very good. Okay, next one is fi. Fi means in, and we have example fi sabilillah. Sister Hamuda Sami, please revise this table. Sister Hamuda Sami, please unmute yourself and revise the table.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam.
Fihi in him. Fihim in them. Fika in you. Fiya in me. Fikum in you all. Fina in us.
In us, very good, MashaAllah. Next, we have Allah. Allah means on, and reference is very common example, Assalamu alaikum. Okay. Abdul Qadir from Hong Kong. Please, brother, unmute yourself and revise this table.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Sister, walaikum assalam rahmatullah.
Alayhim, on him, alayhim, on them, alayka, on you, alayhi, on me, alaykum, on you all, alayna, on us.
Jazakallah, sister. We have tried to do it very well. But, okay, there is little mistake. Please focus on it. When we say alayka and then it's alayya. Okay? Alayya.
Okay. Alayya.
Alayya.
Okay. Alayya.
Yes, it's alayya on me. Jazakallah. Next one is ila. It means to. Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Ilayhi, to him. Please raise your hands. Who want to do the revision? Okay, brother Hashim, please go ahead.
Ilayhi, to him. Ilayhim, to them. Ilayka, to you. Ilayya, to me. Ilaykum, to you all. Ilayna, to us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Excellent. Jazakallah khair. Next, ma'a. Ma'a means with. Allahu ma'a sabirin. Ma'a, who? With him. Okay. Who will come forward for this revision? Please raise your hands. Dr. Aksa, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ma'ahu, with him. Ma'ahum, with them. Ma'aka, with you. Ma'i, with me. Ma'akum, with you all. Ma'ana, with us. Ma'aha. No, for her. For her, how we will say ma'anha.
Oh, ma'aha.
Ma'aha, okay.
Excellent, sister. Jazakallah khair. Next is inda. Inda means with. And kam riyalin indaka is an example. Indaka with you. Okay, brother Stein Lahi, please revise this table.
Assalamu alaikum. Indahu, with him. Indahum, with them. Indaka, with you. Indi, with me. Indakum, with you all. Indana, with us.
Jazakallah. Indaka with you. We have learned 9 prepositions. La, li, min, an, bi, fi, ala, ila, ma'a, inda. But remember one very, very important rule. Ma, inda, we use them as preposition, but actually they are nouns. Remember this thing, often this question comes in quiz or in homeworks or in final quiz, etc. That ma'a and inda. Remember these 2 words. These are nouns and we use them as prepositions. Okay, we have learned different rules, and for every grammar, every language will have different rules. Yesterday, we learned different rules for Arabic as well, and today we will quickly revise them. The first rule is different languages use different prepositions. For example, in Arabic, we say amantu billahi. Bi is preposition. In English, we say I believe in Allah. Here, in is preposition, and in Urdu, we say मैं Allah पर ईमान लाया. Per is preposition. Be, in, and per. Here, for the word believe, we have different prepositions in Urdu. Per in English, in, and in Arabic, be. So, different languages use different prepositions. Sometimes we use prepositions in Arabic, but when we translate them in any other language, for example in English, we don't use any prepositions. Ifirli. Ifirli, here li is preposition, but when we say same words in English, we say forgive me. So here we use no preposition. Third rule is prepositions in Arabic, but not in Arabic, but in English or in other languages as well. Warhamni. Here we have used no preposition is used here in this word. Warhamni, wa irhamni, etc. But when we translate it in English, we say, and have mercy on me. And in Urdu, if we say, or which par rahm, we will use par preposition in Urdu. So we are using preposition in other languages, but we are not using any preposition in Arabic sometimes. Rule number 4, change of preposition leads to the change in the meaning. If we use different prepositions with same word, it will be, the meaning will be different. For example, get means to receive, to attain something. But we use different preposition with this get, it means are changed. Get in means come inside. But when we say get out, meanings are totally changed, opposite. Get out, it means go out. Get up, stand up, wake up. But when we use the word down, the preposition down with get down, it meanings are totally different. So when we change the preposition, it leads to the change of the meaning. Now we will use the Arabic examples. We have word salli. Salli, we use them. If we use li preposition after word salli, it meaning will be pray to. Salli li, pray to Rabbika, your Rabb. But if we change the word, this preposition li, and we use Allah instead of li, the meaning will be totally changed. Salli Allah, it means peace on, send peace on. So salli li means pray to, and salli Allah means send peace on. So change of preposition leads to the change in the meaning of the words. Yesterday we learned some new words for pointing toward different objects. We also use these words for nouns, etc. Haza, by pointing with downside with your right hand, with index finger, haza, this. For plural, haulai. Haza, this, haulai, these. Zalika, that, ulaika, those. So remember these two. It is not this. Today we are using this. It is in between them. All these. The first we use in this side, then in front of us, but we are using this haulai, these, and ulai. For zalika and ulaika, we are pointing in this side. Who will revise this table? Dr. Aksa, you have already raised your hand. Please practice it, but for one thing, do actions.
Haza, this. Ho Allah hai. Ho Allahi, these. Zalika, haulahi, these. Zalika, that. Ulaika, those.
Very good. In Arabic speaking, we say haza, Muslim, but when we make plural, haza will be changed in haulai, and Muslim, Muslimun. Haza Muslim, haulai Muslimun. Zalika Muslim, ulaika Muslimun. Okay, I will ask the question and Brother Tahir will answer me. Haza Muslim?
Naam, haza Muslim.
Naam, haza Muslim. Haulai Muslimun?
Naam, haulai Muslim.
Very good.
Remove.
Hal Zalika Muslim?
Naam, zalika Muslim.
Hal ulaika Muslimun?
Naam, haulaika Muslimun.
Naam, ulaika Muslimun. Jazakallah, mashallah. For masculine we use haza, and for feminine we use hazihi. We will point with our left hand downward. Haza, hazihi. Zalika, tilka. Zalika, tilka. Plurals are same for both masculine and feminine gender. We will revise this table quickly. Remember, do it with actions. We are short of time. Okay, let it do again. Haza, hazihi. Zalika, tilka. Sister Jannat, please do it quickly. Please unmute Sister Jannat. You have raised your hand.
Haza, hazihi, this, zalika, tilka, that.
Very good.
Tilka.
Okay. Workbook. I hope all of you will be solving your workbook. Question number 1. It is to you add ba and fa, and I hope you will be able to do it yourself. Let's take some questions from question number 2. Okay, break the Arabic word and write the meanings. Fa'ulaika ma'al mu'minin. Who will try to do it? Fa'ulaika ma'al mu'minin. Fa, so, ulaika, those, ma'al mu'minin, are with the believers. Okay. Haza min indillahi. Anyone can try? Haza min indillahi. This is from Allah. Question number 3. They are Muslims. Very easy one. Please try to do it. They are Muslims.
Hum Muslimun.
Muslimun, and we also can say Ulaika Muslimun. These all are believers. These all are believers. Wallahi mu'minun. Answer the following, please. Yourself. Answer the following questions in Arabic. Ahaza mu'min. Who will answer? Ahaza mu'min.
Naam.
Okay, yes, please. Naam haza mu'min. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Ameen. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Jazakallahu khair.